Step into the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder SL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear AC, child safety locks, third-row seat, keyless start, mirror memory, remote trunk release, and climate control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.